Well, hello, all my beautiful jewels and gems, and welcome to this edition of askchauntel. So I'm really excited about this video today because it's all about decluttering and organizing. And this is what I've been doing during this time of quarantine. I've really been taking the time to get some things in order that have really been bothering me in my house, around my house. And it's really simple things, but little things, they really add up to make your life easier when you take the time to just clear your head, clear your space, calm your space. It just really creates a sense of tranquility in your life, peace, and we need that. We need that in order to be more productive, be more creative, be more present, just being more mentally healthy. And so I'm really excited to share with you guys just this declutter with me. And I hope that it will inspire you to go do the same. If you've been thinking about decluttering, go get ready, get joined in with me. And I can't wait to get into it. So let's do it.
You got problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask CHAUNTEL.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
My name is CHAUNTEL from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video.
So organizing is something huge for me. I've always enjoyed organizing things, organizing people, organizing my life, helping other people organize their lives has just been my God-given love and passion and gift. And I think it has to start, and I said this on Instagram recently, I'll show you guys my pic. It has to start with you. Right here, I want to show you guys, as I was decluttering, I found this beautiful rock that my friend Stephanie gave to me. She has a really cool thing going called Rock the Spot. You guys should check her out on Instagram. It's kindness rocks, and we need more kindness in the world, and so this is such a beautiful rock. But because of the girls, I kind of put it away so that they wouldn't find it, because they just get so excited about that little rock, and just to keep from them throwing it or anything like that, I kind of hid it in this drawer. But anyways, what you see me doing right here is reorganizing my room. I have these cube storage bins all around the house, and I'll share this with you guys more. If you've been kind of paying attention to what you're seeing on the screen, you saw me organizing some clothes, you saw me organizing all kinds of things that I've got in these bins, and I've had this particular one for quite a while, since we first got married. This is my first cube storage, and they are amazing. Like, I'm going to show you guys all the uses that I have in the house, but this one in the room, I just have some clothes, and I have my hats because I really love accessories. I'm getting ready to open an accessory organization and just glam up your life store pretty soon. So I'll let you guys know more about that as it comes. But like, I really enjoy accessorizing. So I needed a really good place to put my accessories. I've kind of moved my hats around, and I actually just washed them all so that they're ready to be worn. Since we moved, I hadn't really had the time to do that. Now, I've organized this space. I took away, you see these old fabric bins. They were great to me. They did well for me for a long time. I really liked the color of them originally, but you can see that over time they become tattered and dirty, and you can't really wash them because they're actually made of cardboard. So I found these really affordable ones at Target. They're like $6. I will link it in the description box below, either these specific ones or something really similar. They're amazing, and they are plastic, and they are a little bit smaller, I will say, but they look great, and they have really glammed up my space where I don't have these ugly old tattered fabric bins, and I've got these new plastic ones, and you can just easily wipe them down and clean them really nicely, and that's what I really love about it. So you can see me here kind of taking some cords and kind of putting them together with a rubber band. That works really well. And I had a lot of different stuff stored here, so this is like kind of like where you would have a nightstand, but we don't really have the space. Or I mean, I guess I could have put a nightstand here, but this is better than a nightstand. Like, it kind of served as my nightstand and storage. So I don't have space for both, but I love these keep storage. I just cannot tell you guys how much it's really helped me with my items. And I've stored all kind of different things here. So in here, in this last one, I'm going to store all these little kind of odd-ended miscellaneous things that I use pretty often, but not all the time. So it looks a lot better, but I can still have the things that I use, and it just looks so much nicer. So when you make little changes like this in your space, it can really glam up your space and just make you feel more at peace. And this is just one of the projects that I've been working on in my room, but it's one that really helped my space to look a lot better and make me feel great when I walk into my room, because I gotta tell you the truth, being in my room lately has not been my favorite place to be in the house, but we've been working really hard and it looks amazing now. So I'm excited because I could even film in here now, and I can kind of do more things in here. So I hope that this inspires you to glam up your space and make it more peaceful for you. And I hope that you will also begin decluttering and re-looking and rethinking the space that you live in, even if you're doing small things. It doesn't have to be anything drastic. When I first started to think about doing this series, because I'm going to be having a decluttering or an organizing series here on my channel, I thought, my gosh, like, I'm not really doing huge things, and I see a lot of videos of people doing these huge makeovers, and I thought, you know what, sometimes it's the little things. And some of us, and many of us, we may not have the budget to do big things, but when you do the small things, they all add up and they become big in your life. And so I really just want to encourage you to take the time to declutter your space, take the time to do it for yourself, take the time to love you, because as you do, the life that you live will be more meaningful for you. It will really pronounce what matters to you in your heart, and as you build on what matters to you, it will spread to those in your space. It will spread to those around you, and then you begin to impact their life. So I just want to encourage you to do that, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I'd like to know, have you guys started decluttering your space? If you haven't, I'd like to know that too. And if you have, or you're thinking about it, what's the space in your house that you really want to see some work done to? Okay, even if we're not doing anything huge, just what are some of the small things that you want to get done around the house? I'd love to hear about it in the comment section below. I love you guys ever so much. Thanks for watching. See ya on the next one. Hugs and kisses.